it's Rochelle, and I want to show you 4 items that you're going to get in your Jordan Essentials Business Starter Kit. These items work together in what we call the hand spa, although they can be used all over body. So, first you have your foaming pump hand soap. You're going to want these in every bathroom. Next, you have your Dead Sea Salt Scrub. You have your flagship product, the product that Jordan Essentials went on the map with, and that is the lotion bar. And next you have your shea butter. So when we use these products, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to get your friends and family together to do a little spa day with them, have a little hand spa. So we're going to turn on our water. We're simply going to use 1 pump of our foaming hand soap. I love how this lasts so long. So we're going to rub that around, and then we're going to take about a 1/2 teaspoon of our Dead Sea Salt Scrub, and we work those 2 products together. One of the first signs of aging that you can experience is in your hands. And so this is going to take off all that worn, tired, dead skin cells. Once that salt starts dissolving, and it has that dead salt in there, so there's lots of minerals that your body is absorbing as you wash your hands. We're going to dry that off, and then we're going to come in with that shea butter. So won't this be fun to get your friends and family together and have them experience your products and your new business? We're just going to use a pea-sized amount. We're going to spread that around. It's really thick and luxurious. You're going to love the shea butter. Last, but certainly not least, we're going to grab that lotion bar, and it's going to need a little loving, okay? This is what I do. I hold it, and I just rotate it back and forth in my hands, because that body heat is going to heat up your lotion bar. So then it gets nice and a little bit soft, and it seals the deal in. It's a beeswax base, so it seals that shea butter in. You can use this for your elbows, your knees, your ankles, those really kind of rough spots on your body. So you can use your Dead Sea Salt Scrub in the shower and give yourself a full body experience. So in your kit, you're also going to receive a bag with all the aroma samples, okay? So all 4 products that I just showed you come in a wide array of aromas. So you're getting these samples, and you're going to want to keep these, because if someone says, oh, what's the lavender and eucalyptus? You can pop this little pot open, rub it a little bit, and let them experience what that is. So we have all the signature scents in your little sample kit so that they can experience which aroma they're going to like best. You don't need to know everything. You simply just need to share it with people. Your new business is going to grow when you share it with people. That's why it comes equipped with catalogs, your website. All the information is available at our fingertips. So I'm excited for you to experience these 4 products that you're going to receive in your business kit, and looking forward with you to sharing them with all your friends and family.